Never think that the knife hanging for an outdoorsman belt is just a gadget to look cool. The serious hunter, hiker, and camper know that a happy afternoon outdoors can turn into an unexpected disaster. Whether it is foul weather, wild animals, losing your way, or a dozen scenarios in between, a survival knife can mean the difference between life and death. It is safe to say that a survival knife is the next most important thing to have in the wilderness after food and water. The best survival knife can be used to cut kindling for a fire should you get lost and it turns cold. You can even use one to help build a makeshift shelter. A survival knife will open a can of beans and help cut bandages for wounds. Make it part of your survival gear and it can help you in a survival situation. Let our collection of the 5 best survival knives help you choose one with the right blade design, edge, type of steel, and other features to meet your needs.
Here at Top of Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
The Morakniv Companion Spark Outdoor Knife is a versatile fixed-blade outdoor knife good for carving, cutting firewood, and food preparation. The 3.9-inch blade is made of hardened Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel, is rust-resistant, and stays sharp longer than carbon steel. The partial tang knife has a rubber grip handle that is comfortable to hold and simple to control for safe use. The Morakniv model adds an integrated magnesium alloy fire starter that twists lock into the handle. It produces a 5400-degree f-spark for 3000 strikes and even works while wet. A reflective lanyard, belt clip and plastic sheath are added and it appears with a limited lifetime warranty. As a survival knife, the Morakniv Companion stands up to dirt and moisture and is good for marine and outdoor applications like camping and bushcraft and is priced fairly. The titanium-faced HX Outdoors fixed blade knife is a hunting and tactical knife that meets most needs for outdoor survival. It enters with a sheath that is resistant to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, and adds a sharpener and fire starter. The D2 material blade is 3.4 inches long and is superior in hardness, sharpness, and abrasion resistance. The HX Outdoor knife provides a G10 material ergonomic handle. The overall length is 8.7 and it is lightweight at 8.8 ounces. The knife is full of tang, meaning it goes through the length of the handle. This is quicker to use as a survival knife than a folding blade in terms of safety, while every split second counts. Use the HX Outdoor knife as a multi-tool for hunting, camping and fishing, or just easily a good survival knife to have on hand. The Gerber LMF2 was originally designed to free an aircrew from a downed aircraft. The break between the tang and the butt cap provides insulated protection against stray wears and will absorb shock from hammering with a 4.84-inch half-serrated blade. We would put it in our best survival knife selection, specifically for survival kits. It has a pointed butt cap of stainless steel and can pierce glass if you are trapped in a vehicle. The glass-filled overmolded handle gives a secure grip when preventing blisters on your hands. Lashing holes grant the knife to be converted into a spare. An added low-profile sheath attaches to a belt or mole vest and has a built-in carbide sharpener, so you will never be stuck with a dull knife. At 10.59 inches long, the entire knife is black for nighttime stillness. All these things make it our choice for best survival knives for almost anyone. Overall, the Gerber LMF2 is amazing for camping and hiking in risky places and is a great addition to your vehicle emergency kit for cars to helicopters and airplanes. Gerber collaborated with Grylls, host of a worldwide survival TV series, to create the Gerber Grylls survival knife. The half-serrated edge knife has versatility for backpackers and outdoor adventures in wilderness with a 4.75-inch drop-point blade. The serrated part of the blade generates a snap-to-cut rope and other fibrous materials. Full tank construction makes it durable, and the hard steel blade gives superior edge retention. Its rubber grip is comfortable to hold and is textured to prevent slippage in tense moments. The handle also has 2 holes so you can lash it to a stick for spearing fish. The base of the handle has a stainless steel pommel for hammering. An added high-quality nylon sheath has a diamond blade sharpener and fire starter. The set adds a lanyard with an emergency vessel and a handy Priorities of Survival pocket guide. Overall, we consider it to be one of the best knives around. The Benchmade Bushcrafter 162 fixed outdoor survival knife is a USA-made robust knife built for the trail. Constructed of CPM S30V steel, its drop-point blade construction is strong and durable, corrosion-resistant, and has first-rate edge retention. The durable G10 handle is resin-soaked fiberglass and resists moisture and changing climates. The Benchmade Bushcrafter is a full-tank fixed-blade knife for good stability with a blade length of 4.40 inches and an overall length of 9.15 inches. It enters with a genuine leather sheath that has a belt loop and D-ring for simple carry. The manufacturer gives live sharp service for free. They will clean, oil, and resharpen to a factory razor-sharp edge. Use the Benchmade Bushcrafter as a heavy-duty survival knife in the wilderness.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.